just to catch one more glimpse of your skin. When I look at the way you sleep, I know I'm home.
So, we are heading home right now. I mean, not we are heading home. I mean, we're going back. And then I'm going to fly my drone at the road that we took earlier. I hope I can do like follow the truck for the drone. But I don't know how to do that yet. So hopefully I can learn. Dad is already there. Yeah, I didn't put in the bag because I'm gonna use it anyway. It's itchy, guys. The grass are itchy. By the way, guys, I'm not feeling well today. I have runny nose and right now a little bit headache because I need some water. I drink water earlier, but after I hike, I need more water. I'm not like completely 100% okay, but I'm still like feel sicky. But you know, vlog is vlog. I need to create content so that I get more revenue. More content, more revenue. Let's go. Hike, hike, hike. And by the way, guys, when I land the drone, my father took the drone to his hand. That's because the landing area is not good because it's a stone. It's probably gonna hit the camera or whatever, just to prevent it. So I just asked Dad to take the drone. There's no people here. My lola is not here, by the way. Uy, asa mo ka ni kat-kat ganina? It's the wrong way. Muna ning dalana. It's very steep, guys. Now we're walking back to the truck. Pwede na guro ni.
Stay awake every night just to catch one more glimpse of your skin. When I look at the way you sleep, I know I'm home. Times I believe I can change and be the man just for you. Like a flash of the future, I see our sons and daughters too. No tomorrow, spin your sorrow. Let the games begin. Reach out of your bed, come out ahead, don't dwell within.
Tia, you're done swimming? Oh, lobat battery. So we have some food right here, guys, and this is our table, and this is our food, and right there they're eating, and the kids enjoying swimming, by the way. Hi, I miss you. Hi. Hi. Eat. Wow, very good. Eat rice. Fish. Ah, very good, Samantha. Very good, Sophia. Inta. I'm glad Sophia enjoyed this kind of outing because she's not crying.
Kana, dak.
DL.
Na, dak.
Liog na. Nag-eat og fish Sophia.
Apa dayo nagbubuhat man nagbalay sa Mary Jane dire ba? Awa, 4. Ada pe. 4 daw. Iya diri daw. Ang kabag ko Mary Jane ko ay iya biuloy.
Sa babal, kanang kahinay no?
Album niya.
Magkuha mo guys. Anay, cook na na day. Day. Tabang mo jageng. Sarap pag kabuok mo ang
Lami,
cook ay.
lami sa kaning masilan.
Tambo ka na?
Kumra.
Viewers eh. Ay, nagkaon.
Iya ko bangata ta ko lang.
Wala naman dinigo ang iyong ulo.
Ligo. Lami lang lebron so.
Ninday, mga siya.
Ha?
Ninday. Wala ka kita, kaya wala mo ka dere.
Nag-video ta mo. Ay, mahalay ba na ako na? Gamit
Bawa,
na
may
ng
nagbantay
video.
sa ante. Ito ya, kanin dive. No?
Simbol. Ang simbol.
Okay, kaon? Wala naman. Saan?
Hindi ka na niya, balay.
Oo.
Ay nag
Nung budak sa pa eh.
Go mo na.
Eh?
atag iya.
Hugaw na si bro.
O ay, wala mo na hugasi.
Lugasan, mga daan.
Kaon pa ko.
Ano ba siya?
Wala naman na sulod. Napamoy saging, te? Napamoy saging? Ay, te, napamoy saging, te? Nagtatay ni mo. Oh.
Mugmog na sa ko.
Kuan oy.
Wala na.
Wala po.
Kaya sa
Kala ko ba? Bangin niyo mo sa ito.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
So, we bring home some guyabano, sour soup. Yeah, this is sour soup, guys. Looks so yum. It's not that ripe, but it's old enough. I think it's gonna go ripe tomorrow. Hi, Sophia. Did you enjoy today? Oh. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ko no.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm here. Oy.
Bye-bye.
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 Yeah, guys. So, we are heading home right now. Everyone is leaving na. I enjoyed it so much. Mabidyohan tayo. Yes. We are heading now Look at this one. That is our cooking spot earlier. I just can't film everything because I was outside flying my drone and doing some adventure. Doing some adventure. All of the cameras are used. I don't have any camera to leave to mom, but mom said Sophia enjoyed the water so much. And by the way guys, super thanks is available in my all videos. If you want to show some love, just give some super thanks. Thank you so much. So I'm going to end the vlog right here guys. If you enjoyed this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, for more adventure, for more family bonding, for more travels. Thank you to all of my viewers, my subscribers, my Patreon supporters, the super chats, super stickers. Thank you so much. Bye. This is the house. Bye, come here. Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, bye-bye.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.